Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Linktree. Linktree is a web-based tool that lets you create a landing page with clickable links to all your social media accounts, websites, and other online profiles. It's a great way to showcase your online presence and make it easy for people to find you across various platforms. So let's head to the website and create our beginner account. Everything you are in one simple linked bio. Join more than 35 million people using Linktree for their links. So claim your Linktree. Get started for free. You can sign up for free and let's wait for the website to load. So Linktree is very easy to use and you don't need any coding or technical skills to set up. You can customize the colors and the background of your landing page so match your branding and add as many links as you want. Create your account. Choose your Linktree username. You can always change it later. So the username will be Madaga. My email will be this. And let's create our account. I need a password. And let's continue. So one of the main advantage of Linktree is that it allows you to share multiple links with just one URL. This is especially useful for Instagram, where you can only add one link to your bio. By using Linktree, you can provide your followers with a menu of links to choose from, making it easy for them to navigate to the content they are interested in. So tell us your name. Select one of the category that best describes your Linktree account. Business creativity, we have education, entertainment, fashion and beauty, food and beverage, government and politics, health and wellness, non-profits, others, tech, travel and tourism. We have others. Pick your other category. Affiliate, market, context and giveaway. We have, let's choose personal. Next. Find the plan for you. We have the monthly plans, the free one, include unlimited links and link apps, click and view for the past 28 days, collect payment, tips and donations, 0% traction fees for a limited time. Yes, for just a limited time. We have the starter pack, the pro pack, and the premium pack. So the pro has more positive aspect. So let's get the free. Of course, we are getting the free. So, thanks for signing in and continue. So, if you are looking for a simple way to create a landing page with clickable links to your social media accounts and other online profiles, Linktree is definitely worth checking out. It's free to use and it helps you streamline your online presence and make it easier for people to connect to you. So you need to verify your account. So let's head to my email and see what the phone doing here. So we have here the links. You can add links to your profile. This is what the website is about. Here to share your link tree. So let's start adding a link. I will bring my Instagram account. So let's wait, verifying, then bring in my Instagram and Facebook and other accounts. So now my account has been verified and I have to bring my links here. So let's add our first link. I'm too lazy to go back to Instagram and bring my link. Add. Yes, I'm not sure either if this work. So yes, you can add the title, Instagram, gram. Oh, they already added Instagram. So this is the first one, and there are 0 clicks. You can see clicks on here, the donations and others. You can lock it. I don't know what the lock do. You can add a code to it so no one can enter it without your permission. So we can add schedule, prioritize, thumbnail, and redirect. Here we have the analytics and appearance of this website and of your links. Here you can customize the image, the profile title, the bio, add social icons. You can join the pro to remove the Linktree logo. You can create your own team. Those teams are for premium membership. So here we have the settings. So this is taking too long. I'm cutting the video. So those are the settings when you can change your profile picture and your email and your password, your username, and others. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.